How to change your password on PayPal. Let's go. In this case, I'm not gonna use PayPal app. I'm gonna open browser, Google PayPal, and then go paypal.com. Here, just simply log in. This is in Slovak language, but it's gonna be log in, and just simply log into your account. Okay, if you get these questions, you don't have to do it now. Just simply go back. And here we go. We are in. Click on these three horizontal lines in the corner and then go settings. But the problem is it's gonna switch to the PayPal app. So go back. Simply tap and hold on this widget and open this in new tab. I'm gonna check the new tab here. And voila, this is what we need. And here we're gonna click on security. And under security, we can change and update password. Click on it. And now I'm gonna write here my current password, new password, change password. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you later.